Hey everyone! Today we are checking out the powerful KOIOS 4-in-1 kitchen system. This 1000-watt motor base effortlessly handles blending, chopping, and grinding for all your meal prep needs. You can easily make smoothies in the large pitcher or grind fresh coffee, beans in seconds. The dedicated food processor attachment quickly chops vegetables and meats with professional precision and safety. A manual speed dial and non-slip base ensure you always have total control during operation. Every BPA-free component is dishwasher-safe to make your post-cooking cleanup fast and simple. This sleek and versatile appliance is the perfect upgrade for any modern home kitchen setup. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.